Welcome to our video. Today, I'd like to share with you this item, artificial single tulip. So let's take a closer look. For this item, the material of the petals and leaves are made of PU, so it's Realtouch feeling and very soft. And the flower core is made of PE. Flower stem is PVC with iron wire inside. So let's take a measurement. For this item, the total height is 53 centimeters. This item looks so nice. It looks like real flowers. And except for this color, there are some more color can be choice. Have white, pink, green. It's available in any color you want. So if you are interested in this item, welcome to contact with us. Thank you.